Look what just arrived in the mail. There's a brand new flavor of Equip Prime Protein. I have not tried it yet. I have not opened it yet. But I wanted to get a taste test here for you because Equip is having a sale right now. My coupon code, which is usually a one-time use thing, has been released to be a anytime use or repeat use. If you used it before, you can use it again for the next few days. And so I wanted to make sure to get this taste test in here. So I'm going to open this up. I'm going to make I'm just going to mix it up with some milk first. And then I'm also going to mix it into some Greek yogurt because that is one of my most favorite ways to eat and use Equip protein. I also have several recipes using Equip protein, and I'm imagining what they'll be like with cookies and cream protein powder instead of, the other ones that I've used. There's a frosting. I made a cupcake with a frosting. And the frosting I used Equip collagen in, but I have made that frosting with the Prime Protein instead of collagen, and it worked out just fine. And I'm thinking a cookies and cream frosting might be really, really good. So anyways, I'm gonna get this open and gotta do a smell test first. My scissors are very dull. Ooh. I don't know if you can see the color. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like a dark, Oreo cookie brown. It smells like coffee. That is weird. Like if I had opened this up and it was the iced coffee flavor, I would have been like, yeah, that makes sense. That is very interesting. It doesn't smell like black cocoa, like in Oreos. Yeah, now I need to taste it. All right, here I had to froth it quite heavily to get it to mix in. It really works better in a blender. The frother will work eventually, but it takes some time to get it mixed in just because it's the beef protein. Beef protein is harder to mix in than whey protein. Okay, taste test. First taste test. Okay, the taste is so different from the smell. The taste is so different from the smell. I was like, when I was smelling it, I was like, how is this cookies and cream? But it tastes like cookies and cream here. Now it's not the dark, like black cocoa cookies and cream, but it definitely has a creamy flavor, and obviously mixing it in milk helps that. But it does have a very, very creamy flavor. Honestly, I was worried about the flavor after I smelled it. I was like, how is this going to be cookies and cream? But somehow when it gets mixed in, it does taste like cookies and cream. So as far as comparing it to the regular chocolate Prime Protein, which is hands down the best flavor ever, I'd say it's creamier. Like it's lighter and creamier on the chocolate flavor. The chocolate Prime Protein, I would say, is more of a darker chocolate, a very strong cocoa chocolate. This is like a light milk chocolate, creamy milk chocolate flavor. So it is different. And I think they're both good. I think if you want that really strong cocoa, like you are all about the flavor of chocolate, go for the chocolate. If you want something lighter, creamier, with a hint of chocolate, the cookies and cream is fantastic for that. They're both delicious. I think they are different. It's so hard with flavors like that. What's going to be the difference between a chocolate cookie and a chocolate protein powder? But there is a difference. There definitely is a difference. You could definitely enhance the Oreo type flavor by adding a bit of the black cocoa in there, and that would give it more Oreo flavor to go along with the creaminess. I'm going to go ahead and try the yogurt. So my experience with mixing the Prime Protein into yogurt, it acts like it doesn't want to mix at first, but if you let it sit for just a couple of minutes, like you mix it, You let it sit for a couple minutes, then you mix it again. It's super, super smooth. It doesn't clump. I haven't found it clumps at all. All right, so let's give this a try. So I only put half a scoop in, what is this, probably 6 ounces of yogurt. And I feel like it needs more. It needs more sweetness. I think I dropped the ball. I should have done a whole scoop. I'll be right back. Okay, I have increased the protein powder in here to a full scoop. Try again. The flavor does not come through as much with the yogurt. Maybe that's because the yogurt has such a strong tart flavor. It really comes through a lot better in the milk, and maybe that's because milk has more natural sweetness to it than Greek yogurt does. If I didn't know this was cookies and cream, I would not be able to tell with it mixed in the yogurt. I definitely prefer the chocolate prime protein in my yogurt. This one doesn't do it for me. But in the milk, it's really good and such a different flavor. So weird. Something about the tartness of the yogurt just like covers the flavor of the protein powder for me. Okay, so that is my taste test of the new cookies and cream from Equip. They do have it in 2 different varieties. They have the low sugar variety that's made with coconut sugar and monk fruit, and that's what I tried today. And then they also have the stevia variety that has no added sugar. It's just sweetened with the stevia, so you can pick which one you like. I know some people try to avoid the stevia. Some people try to avoid anything that's, you know, actual sugar like the coconut sugar. So they've got you covered on all of that. You can get a 15% discount with my coupon code right now, just for a few more days. Usually, like I said, that's a one-time use, but they've opened it up to return customers as well for this sale. It's good on anything in the store, not just on the cookies and cream. So if you want to try the cookies and cream, but also stock up on all of your favorites, you can do that with the coupon code and get that extra 15% off. Thanks so much for hanging out with me during this taste test, and I will see you again in the next video.